also to come on my channel, guys, is this Denon integrated amplifier. Not only it needs a clean up, but the power transformer has gone open on the primary. I'm not going to lie, I was abusing it. It's actually surprising the outputs transistors didn't cook themselves, but the power transformer got too hot. I don't think the windings have actually shorted. I think just the thermal fuse has gone open, but we're going to have to take the transformer out, dig into it and see if we can replace the thermal fuse, and if not, substitute it with a different transformer. I also have a lot of speakers through my place that I will be going into detail on in other videos. I've got everything from huge woofers like this, 12-inch paper cone woofers, to tweeters, smaller mids, 6.5-inch woofers. These are all for different speaker builds that are going to come. These are a couple of builds that I've already done. They're re-imported boxes. Yeah, this place has got a few rooms that are just full of audio equipment. That's something else I'm a big fanatic of. As I've mentioned, I like to build amps. I also like to build speaker boxes, sub boxes, and crossovers also. So there'll be videos on that too. And like I said, some amplifier repair videos. Alright, that's all for now, guys.